Hi there, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video where we will be looking at this left-hand drive Sunbeam Tiger dashboard, which has been made in a grey bird's eye maple with a high build, high gloss finish. So this particular example has been made using an original Sunbeam Tiger dashboard as a template, so it's an exact copy. It's been made in this fantastic grey bird's eye maple, which I believe the video won't do full justice. You need to see this in person to appreciate the kind of 3D effect of the grain and the depth when seen in person. What you can see are some smudge marks there on the glove box door from being handled. Camera is finding it hard to focus on it, but I hope that gives you an idea. So the customer requested in this instance that I fit a glove box door. So the glove box will come with the two chrome hinges attached as well as the chrome knob. And if we pop the door open, there is a catch inside and a receiver and also a check strap to hold the door in position once opened. You can see that the inside of the glove box door is finished in the same veneer as the exterior face, and my logo is present and plain to see. Now, if we take a look at the rear of the dashboard, we can see that, like the original, it has been recessed where necessary. So for all the switch gear, heating controls, etc., we have all the correct recesses in the same position and the same size as the originals. Back on the surface again, we can see that I have also applied the original style of decals there for panel, lights and wiper. So these decals have been applied beneath the finish just for a more finished and professional look. The dashboard will also come supplied with 4 new chrome screws. Figure there's no point fitting a brand new nice shiny dashboard and not having new screws to complement it, so there'll be in this instance 4 chrome screws included. Okay, so that is the Sunbeam Tiger dashboard, left-hand drive, grey bird's eye maple with a high build, high gloss finish. If you are interested in having a dashboard like this made, or perhaps you have another veneer type in mind or finish, etc., please do get in touch. I'm always happy to help and discuss options, pricing, etc. Okay, thanks very much for watching.